Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a few apps that you'll use on your iPhone. Unfortunately, I just don't have a lot of storage to contain all these apps, so I'm just going to show it to you guys on the Apple Store. So the first one would be Not Boring Weather, so I'm just going to type that. It's basically just a weather app, but the UI looks just super cute and it's not boring. I guess I might get this one, but it does require iOS 17 or later. I think I have 16, not sure. My phone is old, alright? Like, this is the app preview. The second one would be Open Vibe. Okay, I guess it's not here anymore. So let's move on to the next one. It's Google Tasks. I'm not sure why it's not there anymore. Google Tasks, you can make it, you can place it on your widget screen, I guess, like on your home screen. It's perfect if you have like a lot of tasks at hand and you'll need like an app for it. Next we had Habit Kit. I don't know if it's still on here. Okay, it's not, but there are other like habit tracking apps that you can use to track your habit and your progress and stuff like that. Notion is something that's also really good. Notes and tasks, you can write, plan, organize with AI at your side. There's OPZ. Hopefully it's still on here because again, some of the apps are gone. This is for like a specific device, which I again don't have, but if you have this one, it's like a screen for that device. We have one thing called Chani. Hopefully it's still here. It gives like your astrological stuff. I don't believe on it, but if you like reading your astrology, you can definitely read that. There's Dashcam as well. I've used this before. Also pretty good, but some of the features you do need to pay for it. Epidemic Sound. Music for videos. If you want royalty-free music for your videos, it's a good app. We have Transit, so it literally tells you the time of trains and buses, I guess. Buses, tubes, cycle, hire, Ferris, we have it all. It's pretty useful. I don't know if it's available for every country, but it's pretty useful. There's also Flighty, I guess, to track flights. I used to track flights a lot as well using Flight Radar. Waze is a good app. Google Maps as well. Well, obviously I think you'll have Google Maps, but Waze is another good like app. It's mostly for shortcuts, I think. And for the games, we have Pokemon Pocket. So you guess like you can like open cards. Here it is, Pokemon TCG Pocket. And then we have Tech Disc. Sorry. I don't know what this is for. Investment? Nope. Oh, it's for golfers. Sorry. It's for golfing. There we go. Merlin Bird ID. Oh my gosh, it's actually pretty cute. So if you're out and about outdoors, I never get out of my house, but yeah, when you hear a bird, I guess you can use Merlin Bird ID to identify the bird by its sound. That's pretty neat. I might also download this one, even though I don't go outside. Maybe I'll hear some birds around my house. And we have PlayStation Remote app for the last one. I don't know if it's still there, but I guess that's it. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.